Hey, welcome. And finally, what we can just do is to clear our test form fields input. To do this, after this completes, we can just go ahead and say underscore form key. But really, we do not need to clear our test form fields again since it will automatically clear it. And the reason for that is because we are going back to the main screen, right? So this is going to a new screen after it has successfully uploaded the product. And all the fields are just going to be cleared, but we can also just do this for the sake of learning. So we can say underscore form key. Then to get the current situation of the form, we have to say current state, then the reset. And over here, we need this. So after successfully uploading the data to our cloud Firestore database, we want to be able to clear the data from our provider. We also want to be able to reset our test form fields. We also want to be able to dismiss the easy loading. And lastly, we want to be able to move to the main vendor screen. Okay, so everything is working as we expect. But if for any reason you're having any errors, please do well to let me know and I will gladly support you. But before then, finally, see you in the next section. And in the next section, we are going to start retrieving our product, adding to cart, and so on. See you in the next section.